sitting in the living room discussing our plan to do climb Mount Sumbing. We had been planning this trip for months, and finally, we had decided to do it. Mount Sumbing is one of the highest mountains in Central Java. We were eager to conquer the peak and enjoy the breathing view from the top. We started discussing our itinerary, including the route we would take, the accommodations we would use, and the equipment we would need to bring. We also talked about the weather and potential challenge we make face during the trip. After several hours of planning, we finally had a solid plan. We would start our journey from the Kalimiring base camp in the morning and continue to the peak view the designated trail. We also decided to bring sufficient supply, including food, water, and safety equipment. With a well-planned itinerary, we felt ready to face the challenge of climbing Mount Sumbing. We were excited and couldn't wait to start our adventure. Get ready, friends. We are going to conquer Mount Sumbing, I said, smiling at my friends. Yes, we can do it, they replied, giving each other a thumb up. And with that, we were ready to start our journey to Mount Sumbing. We headed to our rooms to prepare and gather all the necessary equipment. The next day, we set off to the Kalimiring base camp with great enthusiasm. We arrived at the base camp in the morning and immediately started our journey to the peak of Mount Sumbing. The climbing trail was very steep and challenging, but we didn't give up. We kept walking and resting periodically to conserve our energy. After several hours of walking, we reached the third post where we rest and enjoy the beautiful scenery. After a short rest, we continued our journey to the peak of Mount Sumbing. We had to pass through a very steep and rock trail, but we weren't afraid. We kept walking with spirit and patience. Finally, after several hours of walking, we reached the peak of Mount Sumbing. The breathing view from the top made us extremely happy and satisfied. We took photos and enjoyed the stunning scenery. After spending a few hours at the peak, we start our journey back to the base camp. We walked carefully and slowly as the trail was very steep and rocky. After arriving at the base camp, we felt very tired but satisfied with our journey. We had conquered Mount Sumbing and enjoyed the beautiful scenery from the top. This trip was amazing, I said to my friends. Yes, we have to do this again, they replied, smiling. And with that, we had successfully completed our journey to Mount Sumbing. We couldn't wait to plan our next adventure. Adverb of sequence. Understanding adverb of sequence. Adverb of sequence are words or phrases used to express the order or sequence of events or actions. They provide information about how one event relates to another in a sequence of time. Use of adverb of sequence. Giving instructions, adverb of sequence are often used in manual or recipe to provide step-by-step instruction. Number 2, narrative writing. In narrative writing, these adverb help writers organize even in a logical order. Example of use in sentence. First, we need to understand the basic concept of adverbs. Next, we will see how these adverbs are used in sentence. Then we will practice using adverb in different contexts. Afterwards, we can apply this knowledge in everyday writing. Finally, we will evaluate our understanding of adverb of sequence. Rules for using adverb of sequence. First, use to show the actions that occurs before other. Next, indicate the actions that occurs immediately after the previous actions. Then, use when the next action does not occur directly after the previous actions. Afterwards, indicates the action that occurs after some time from the previous actions. Finally, indicate the action that occurs at the end after all other actions. Practicing adverb of sequence. To master the use of adverb of sequence, regular practice is highly recommended. Here are some exercises that can be done. Number 1. Making a to-do list. Use adverb of sequence to organize your daily tasks. Number 2. Writing instructions. Write step-by-step instruction for a simple activity such as making tea or a sandwich. Number 3. Narrative writing. Create a short story that uses adverb of sequence to describe the order of events. Adverb of sequence help to provide structure and continuity to the sequence of events in a story or presentation of information. They help the listener or reader to follow the flow of the story or argument better. Types of adverb of sequence. Adverb of sequence can be grouped into several types based on their functions and relationship to the sequence of events. Here are some common types. Adverb of enumeration. This type is used to enumerate or explain events in a specific order. Examples include firstly, secondly, thirdly, lastly. Adverb of continuation. This adverb indicate the continuation of an event or action from a previous one. Example include next, then, afterwards, with as, subsequently. Adverb of conclusions. This type indicate the end of a sequence of events or actions. Example include finally, eventually, in conclusion. Adverb of simultaneity. This adverb indicate that two events or actions occur simultaneously. Example includes simultaneously, concurrently. Adverb of alternations. This type indicate a change between two events or actions. Example include alternatively, conversely. Adverb of causality. This adverb indicate a cause and effect relationship between event or actions. Example include consequently, accordingly, therefore. Functions of adverb of sequence. The functions of adverb of sequence in English is to provide a clear structure to the narrative or presentations of information by starting the sequence of events or actions. Make the story or presentation more organized and logical. Clarify the relationship between event or actions. Describe a process or sequence of actions. Increase the readability and coherence of the text or speech, convey conclusions or resolutions. By using adverb of sequence, speaker or writers can convey information in a clear and structured way, help the listener or reader to follow the flow of the story or argument better. Conclusions. Mastering adverb of sequence is essential in English reading. By using this adverb correctly, we can create more organized and easily understandable text. Consistent practice will improve our ability to use verb of sequence effectively. Thank you.